Hello everyone. As per plan, I'm gonna explain you about first floor construction of this building. Before that, let me show you the front view and entrance of this residential building. Okay, so here, as you can see, a big ground as well as hand pump here for water resources, and this ground can be used as a parking also. So as you can see here, I think this is a vehicle garage for parking of car or bikes already parked, as you can see. And now here it is boundary wall provided for garden area inside. As you can see here, let's enter through this entrance gate. Okay, as you can see here, a garden, or we can say vegetation area, have been provided inside this boundary wall. Here veranda have been constructed to give more attractive look for the main entrance of this building. As you can see, this is the front view of the house. This one is the main entrance of the building, as you can see, and this one is garden or vegetation area. Okay, so this is the main entrance of the house. As you can see, let's get inside. Here it is a big hall. Okay, let me show you some room and kitchen area of this house, which is in ground floor only. Let me show you that. This one is kitchen area of the house. Marble top and tiles have been used for proper platform, and that one is sink. So after kitchen, this is again a room and bedrooms, the house. Here it is open area, as you can see, and there it is, construction is going on. Okay, so as you can see, the ground floor is already constructed. Let's go to the first floor of this building, which is under construction. So before going there, let me tell you one thing, that there is two way to reach first floor of the building. Let me show you that one way. This one is the first way to get land into that building, that first floor. This will be here. Dogleg staircase will be provided from here. That staircase will start from here, and that will land to there in this point. Okay, let's go to the another way. This dogleg staircase, as you can see, again will land us to the first floor of the building. So let's go through this staircase. As you can see here, this staircase will land us to the first floor, or we can say terrace of the house. As you can see the whole view of this building.
Piyush has explained the ground floor. Now I would like to discuss the 2D plan of the first floor, and then we will represent you the construction part going on there. As we can see that every 2D plan have the direction already given there. As Piyush mentioned that two staircases are provided to reach the first floor. One is common for all, uh, which will directly land us to the veranda or hall of the first floor, and the second staircase is provided from the ground floor of the inner house, which is here. In this plan we can see that veranda with balcony is provided, and veranda is then connected to hall and with the kitchen, and in front of the kitchen dining area is provided so as to travel less distance while serving the food. Moving forward, we can have a look that both the side of dining area bedrooms are provided with attached lead bath, and in bedroom 2 dressing facility is also given there. If we have a look on a plan from the staircase provided inner the house, we can see that climbing upward on the right hand side, door is provided in a gallery which lands us to the dining hall, and on the left hand side wash area is provided according to the plan. But the plan have some changes. The walls are not well leveled, which is not parallel to each other of a ground floor and a first floor, so there is the gap between them. So they decided to use it as a sitting area besides the stairs, which will be provided here for the second floor. Now rest of the construction site video will be explained by Piyush.
Okay, so I'm here in the first floor, which is under construction. Let's go for it. This is entrance door, main entrance door, first door of the house. As we can see here, a small width of balcony also provided. And as per plan, we have seen in the plan that main door should be started from this column, this one. Okay, so but they have changed their mind and they have started the main entrance door from here only. So this balcony or veranda have been changed into small gallery, which will connect directly to the hall of this house. There is a balcony type, और जो कि ऑलरेडी डोर फ्रेम दे दिया जाता है कंस्ट्रक्शन के टाइम पे ही, विंडो फ्रेम भी, सो दैट जो बीम एंड कॉलम है उसके साथ डोर फ्रेम अच्छे से सेट हो जाए. सो दैट नाउ वी गोना एंटर वरांडा. वरांडा से जैसे अपन निकलते हैं, अपन को मिलता है गेस्ट रूम हॉल, जिसका साइज़ है 10x20. हॉल से अटैच किचन है इस साइड एंड ये डाइनिंग एरिया है. और ये अपन को विंडो मिल जाती है जिसका साइज़ ड्राइंग में मेंशन नहीं किया था. आई थिंक 4x5x4 है विंडो साइज़. ओके, सो लेट्स गो फॉर किचन. एज वी कैन सी दैट हियर वी हैव प्लेटफॉर्म and this one is a sink area and we have one window also in kitchen. Okay, and इसके ऊपर अभी लिंटल पड़ेगा यहाँ से. So we can see that platform area. Now we gonna enter in dining area. Okay, so ये अपन का डाइनिंग एरिया हो जाता है जिसका साइज़ ड्राइंग में मेंशन था 11x12. ओके, सो ये किचन के साथ ही सामने डाइनिंग एरिया एंड ये हमारा पहला रूम है. इसका साइज़ था 19x13. ओके, और इसके साथ अटैच लेट बाथ मिल जाता है अपन को. एंड दिस वन इज़ विंडो. सो इसके साथ साथ एक विंडो एंड वेंटिलेशन के लिए, प्रॉपर वेंटिलेशन के लिए, और एक अटैच लेट बाथ. जैसे अपन इस रूम से निकलते हैं बाहर, डाइनिंग हॉल, और दूसरा अपन को मिल जाता है रूम. सेकेंड रूम का साइज़ था 11x18. सो here it is and we have one window for proper ventilation. and इन्होंने अलमीरा कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दिया ऑलरेडी कंक्रीट की. सो अपन इस रूम से निकलते हैं तो ये अपन को इन्होंने बालकनी एरिया, दे हैव चेंज इन बालकनी. ओके, सो दिस वन इज़ अटैच लेट बाथ अगेन and we have this one is balcony area for this beautiful view. You can see now this one will be washing area of the house. Okay, so I think there is some changes in the construction, so let me explain you this. As you can see, the level of this floor and this one is not parallel. Okay, so they have changed their mind and utilized this place as a 2 floor. So basically this is gonna be ground floor and this one will be first floor and this one will be second floor of the house. So it will be into 3 floor this section and this will be only in 2 floor.